Hello guys, welcome to Sparking Media once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this online investment platform you are seeing on your screen known as SCI Shop. Full meaning of the SCI is Smart Consumer Interface. Okay, in this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this platform. If this platform is a scam investment platform or if this platform is a legit investment platform, all these things we are going to be discussing in this video. So all you need to do is to make sure you're watching this video from beginning to the end, because there are a lot of things you don't know about this platform, and in this video tutorial I'm going to be exposing this platform hands down without any compromise. So all you need to do is to relax yourself, sit back, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any line. But before we proceed, guys, if you are new to this channel or you are coming across my channel for the first time, you're hearing my voice for the first time, all you need to do for you not to miss any of my updates, because what I know, this channel is all about business. I share business updates every blessed day on how to make money with your smartphone. So all you need to do for you not to miss any of my updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release videos on how to make money online with your smartphone for free. Okay, now let's get started. In this video tutorial, I'll be talking about what is SCI Shop all about, and how does it work, and how do you make money from this platform, and how do you also withdraw money from this platform. And lastly, we'll be talking about if this platform is a legit investment platform or a scam investment platform. Should you invest your money from this platform or should you not invest your money from this platform? All these things we are going to be covering up in this video. Okay, now what is SCI Shop all about? Smart Consumer Interface is an online investment platform which claims that the user can purchase digital products and rent it out and generate daily interest or daily commission from the platform, just sitting comfortably at home and allowing their money to work for them. How real is this and how legit is this? All these things you are going to be finding out in this video. So this platform claims that once you sign up now, you purchase any of their products, any of their digital products, the product is going to be working on your behalf and making money for you automatically without you having to do any task. So that is what this platform claims to be. Okay, now how does it work? First of all, for you to start making money on this platform known as SCI Shop, you have to be a registered user. You have to be a registered user. How do you become a registered user on this platform? You become a registered user on this platform by going to any search Chrome of any search engine of your choice. It could be Chrome, it could be Firefox, it could be Firefox, and search for scishop1.com. shopgo1.com. Okay, so once you search for it, they are going to bring you their homepage. Then you are going to register. So when you register, this is how your dashboard is going to look like once you sign up on this platform. Okay, now after signing up, how do you make money on the platform? You make money on this platform in two ways. How you make money on this platform is, number one is through investment. Secondly is through subordinate or your team, or let's just use the normal word we all understand, which is referral program or referral bonus. So that's how these are two ways you make money from this platform. Now let me break it down for you to earn money. How you earn money, let me break them down. I will start with investment. First is investment. How you earn money through investment is that immediately after your registration on this platform, you'll be required to recharge your account. You'll be required to do what? Recharge your account. Now, what are you going to do with the money you recharge your account with? Or is to deposit. So when you click on recharge here, you can deposit. You can input the amount you want to deposit here. So when you input the amount you want to deposit here, they are going to take you to where they are going to generate back account number for you, where are going to send the money to. So you read all the whole details below. So once you transfer money and the money reflects on your dashboard, the next thing you are going to do is to use it to purchase investment plan or investment product. Now there are various investment products on this platform. So click on rent. Or when you click on rent, you can see this one here. The minimum investment, I think, it should be 15,000. So this one you're seeing here is 15,000 naira. As you can see, is 15,000 naira. And this 15,000 naira, if you invest with 15,000 naira, the amount of money you're going to be earning daily is 500 naira to 550 naira every blessed day. Okay, and then your monthly income is 150,000. Sorry, your monthly income should be, is that 15,000? It should be 15,000 to 16,500. Then your annual income 180,500 naira. So if you invest with 15,000, the amount you'll be earning every blessed day is 500 naira. And another second, they also have another investment of 40,000, and what you'll be earning is 1,300 naira. And your monthly income is 39,000. So for example, the higher your investment capital, the higher your daily accumulating interest. Just like theory of this thing, demand and supply. Okay, so that is it, guys. So if you want to earn higher, you have to invest higher, and if you want to earn lower, you also have to invest lower. For example, you can't compare somebody who invests 15,000 with somebody who invests 40,000. So you can see there is difference. Imagine somebody investing 15,000 and the person is earning 500, and another person invested 40,000 and the person is earning 1,300 naira every blessed day. So it's not to be compared. So you can still screw down. They still have another one of 120,000, and the duration of these packages are 1 year, 355 days. Okay, as the platform claims. So if you invest 120,000, you'll be earning 40,000 every blessed. You'll be earning 4,000 naira every blessed day. So that is it, and your monthly income is 120,000. So imagine you invest 120,000 on this platform, and every month you are earning the same 120,000. So that is it. They still have other package. They still have the one of 260,000. They still have the one of 700,000, and so many of them. So like I've explained earlier, if you want to earn higher, you also invest higher. So that is what this platform is all about. Then second way you can earn on this platform is through referrals. So click on team. When you click on team, you can copy your link. This is your link. This is my own link. Okay, so when you copy your link and invite friends to this platform, they have team A, they have team B, they have team C. Okay, for example, I invite you on this platform. You are my team A referrer, and as I invite you, invite another person. That person you invited is my team B, and that my team B invite another person. That person is my team C. So, and that is how you will continue earning money. Please take note: you are not going to earn money by just investing. You only earn money when those your referrers invest. It is when they invest that is when they are considered as a valid investor or as a valid user, not just that you invite them and they did not invest. So when you invite friends and they invest, that is when you receive your commission. You'll be receiving commission on their head every blessed day from this platform. Okay, so that is it, guys. And then let's go back. Now you have known how to make money on this platform. The next step is how to withdraw money on this platform. The withdraw is also shown on your screen, and you can still click on your profile to see. You can see the withdraw option here. You can see account here. You can see everything. You can add a bank account details. So when you click on withdrawal, so that's it, guys. So you can submit your payment method. So you submit your payment method, then you enter the amount you want to withdraw. Okay, the minimum withdrawal amount I think is just 400 naira. So you can add your account details. You select your this thing here. So you select everything. So you just add your bank details and then withdraw, and then the payments password they ask you, so you input it there, then you withdraw. Okay, so I have explained how to make money from this platform, how to also withdraw money from this platform. Now the main reason why I am making this video is to revert to you guys if this platform is a legitimate platform or a scam platform. My name is Paki Media, aka the Legit Boss. I've been into this online space for a very long time now, and I can confidently tell you a platform that is legit and a platform that is scam. Okay, in this case, is this platform known as SCI shop, smart consumer interface, legit or scam? So that is the question. Well, this platform you are seeing here is a scam investment platform. You may be shouting, why, how? But I've been withdrawing. Yes, that's the truth. You have been withdrawing on this platform, and you are still withdrawing. Yes, but how are they sourcing that money? That is all these things you are going to learn now. Now, this platform you are seeing here, known as SCI shop, is a Ponzi scheme investment platform. This platform you are seeing here doesn't have any means of generating revenue for the user. Rather, this is what they do. They use their new members' money to pay their old members. Do you understand? As long as people are joining this platform, they are going to keep this platform running. They want to retain it because of the way it's running. So because of that, as long as new members are joining and old members are there, those old members, they are already completing their minimum withdrawal, and they are placing withdrawal every blessed day. So as they are placing their withdrawal and new members are joining. And now when it comes to investment platform, they are classified into two. Now, what are the two? Short-term investment platform and long-term investment platform. You can easily identify a long-term investment platform by their earning packages, and you can still identify a short-term investment platform by their earning packages. Short-term examples of short-term investment platform are those platforms that ask you to invest 2,000 naira and earn 500 naira every day. An example of long-term investment platform are those platforms that ask you to invest 2,000 naira and you earn 200 naira every day, because the CEO tend to run the platform for some time before they finally crash. Now, anything investment online, before you know it, they crash. Before you know it, they crash. And not like people don't normally make money. People make money from it, but you should bear it in mind that it is other people's money they used to pay you, and that is the reason why we refer it to as a Ponzi scheme investment platform, because it is another people's money they are using to pay you, not their own money. So that's it. When the platform, and you should know that the motive of every investment platform is to scam their user. You may be thinking they are helping you. No, they are not helping you. You might benefit while others will be victimized. Yes. So that is just the thing. So you should know that. You should know that. Know the concept of anything investment first before venturing into it. And it's always advisable you conduct adequate background researches before you venture into investing any money online. That is my own advice to my viewers and everybody watching me around the world. Before investing in anything online platform, conduct background researches. Verify the authenticity first before putting in your hand-earned money. And one thing you should also take note of that each time you're investing your money in all these platforms, you should bear in mind that the money you're depositing is going directly into the CEO's account. The account number they're generating you to deposit, that money is going directly into the owner of this platform account. So therefore, each time you place withdrawal, the CEO is the one in charge of everything, and you should also ask yourself, where is the location? You don't know the physical location. Who is the CEO? You don't know the CEO, which means if anything should happen peradventure, nobody to trace, your money is gone, and you become the victim. You will be crying, nobody will help you. How many of you remember GMJ investment platform? How many of you remember Binken Cap? How many of you remember Media K? How many of you remember Auto BC? How many of you remember FCB? All these investment platform I'm just mentioning here, I've shared videos about them on this my channel, and all of them, everything I said on the platform came to pass. So therefore, each time I tell you something, that is why they call me legit boss. If I tell you something is legit, that thing is legit, and if I tell you something is scam, that thing is scam. That this platform is scam does not mean you cannot make money from it. You can make money from it, but if you join on time, because anything investment platform, as a smart person and you want to really join, the best time to join is at the early stage. When you join at the early stage, before anything happens, you pull out your phone, your capital with profit on top. But if you're not smart enough, like me now, if I decide to invest on this platform, I can invest and stay cash out. But I don't do that. You understand? Because I know the repercussions involved in all these things, and that is the reason why I cannot associate myself with anything evil. Okay, that's why they call me legit boss. If you don't know, for those of you who don't know, you should know it now. So I'm not discouraging you from investing in this platform if you have interest, and I will not encourage you to invest in this platform. It is your money and you have the decision to make. Most importantly is that you now know the truth about this platform, so you decide if you are to invest or you're not to invest. But my own advice to those newbies online, you heard something, you heard about investment, you want to invest, your body is doing tutorial, invest. If you don't want to lose your money, you stay away from this platform. Okay, that is just it. And I think that's come to the end of this video. If you have any question, the comments section is widely open for you. You can comment below, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you will not miss any of my future updates. And then don't forget to share this video, like this video, and may God bless you as you do that. Thank you. I remain Sparky Media, aka the legit boss.